Baking pizzas, gourmet grilling, and raclette with one appliance? This is now possible with the Pizzarette Grill. After rolling out the dough circles and preparing the ingredients, you can make your own mini pizza. Next, you simply slide it into the Pizzarette Grill with the included spatula. The Pizzarette Grill is heated at the bottom as well as at the top for perfect results. Gourmet grilling with meat, fish, and vegetables is done on the grill plate. Just turn the appetizers around every few minutes to get delicious grilled food. And the delectable raclette cheese is prepared by placing a slice of Swiss cheese in the pan and then sliding it into the oven. And when melted, the cheese is especially delicious in combination with potatoes, bread, and some pickles. So enjoy your meal.